The single-use plastic straws? Yeah, just right there.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Don't you know that plastic straws are bad for the environment? What is this? Ugh. If you're gonna suck, suck on this. This is Final Straw, the world's first collapsible, reusable, totally badass straw. Straws are supposed to be convenient, right? So we decided to do something about it. This is Final Straw. Final Straw folds up to the size of a car key and fits in this sexy case. Final Straw is small enough to fit in your purse or pocket. But if you don't have pockets, you can just... Uh-oh, where'd it go? If you can remember your keys when you leave the house, you'll remember your straw. It fits on your keychain, so there's no way you're going to leave it in your car. And there's no need to worry about keeping it clean. Included in each straw is a specially designed squeegee. Simply pull it through the straw to make sure it's squeaky clean. Final Straw is BPA-free, dishwasher safe, and with our patented design, the ends are soft, so it's safe for human children and their adults. There you go, little buddy. This straw may seem small, but because of its size, it's actually very harmful to the environment. Straws can't be recycled, so they're often left here in the ocean where they hurt and kill my friends in the sea. There you go. Go be free. Since you've hit play on this video, we've discarded this many straws in the U.S. alone. Pretty bad, right? Included in each straw are some of these little cards. Next time you're at a restaurant, leave one with the bill and let them know to only serve straws upon request. There's a movement happening, and you can be at the front of it. Together we can make a really big impact and save our oceans one straw at a time. This is Final Straw. Suck responsibly.
Are we ready?
Yeah, ready.
And action.